Hey internet, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Zenpop box unboxing video for you for the month of August. And this is so cute. If you guys want to follow along at home, here is the QR code to scan, and I'm going to scan that myself too. So looks like this month's theme is Taka, which is like octopus in Japanese, so this will be interesting. Okay, so when I look online, so you can call it up on your phone, and when I look online they call it a Retro Nippon, which is Retro Japan. Alright, so first up, a paperclip, kabuki paperclip. Okay, you can kind of use it as a little bookmark. Actually, I could use something like this because I've been doing a lot more reading of physical books. I much prefer physical books than, say, ebooks, even though ebooks are way more convenient, but I just can't seem to get into them. So I actually prefer physical books, but I'm not a big fan of the kabuki look. I feel like this would give me nightmares. I don't know if it's just me, but yeah, this would totally give me nightmares. I wish there was like a different design, but I love how small this bookmark is because the bigger ones, I just tend to lose them. So we've got some pens. Yeah, I'll try these at the end of the video. What is this? So it's called Nerikeshi. It is a kneadable eraser. I don't know if I want to open it yet because in my experience, they tend to pick up a lot of fluff if you don't have them stored properly. But I do kind of want to see. These are so old school though. I remember these back when I was in high school, and in our art classes, we would have erasers that you could mold. There was almost like Play-Doh. Okay, actually I will open it. It's just kind of a bit awkward. Let me try and cut this open. Okay. There we go. Okay, so yeah, it is a little bit like dough. You can squish it and change its shape, but it's an eraser. I'm going to keep it in here because I don't want to use it right now, and it's translucent and white, so it's definitely going to pick up a lot of dirt and stuff like that if I have it laying about. Oh, and then we have some stickers, very traditional Japanese stickers, and they're flat, which is perfect. And then we have some washi tape. It's just like a foil washi. Oh yeah, foil stamping. Weird. Okay, I don't know why it says foil stamping. It's just, according to the description, it is just plain old washi tape that happens to be metallic. Let's open it up. Can you see? It's a really beautiful metallic washi tape. It isn't traditional washi paper though. It almost feels a little paper slash plastic. Okay, and then we have a little memo pad. Yeah, you can open it up. Oh, and keep it standing. It kind of looks like a kimono, right? I think that's the intent. Like the front of a kimono. It's so cute. But I think it's actually just extra spare paper memo pad. So you open it up like a kimono, but then inside I think you can, like the way it is, you can set it up on your table so it's like standing, and then you can access all this loose paper. This isn't like glued on or anything, it's literally loose paper, so it's a little bit different than if you were to use a paper pad where they're all kind of joined at the top or someplace together. So I don't know which way it was. It was this way? I can't remember. Either way, that's what it looks like. Very cute. It's going to be a good table ornament. And then we have a letter set. Takoyaki rocket launcher. I mean, this design is really cool. It's basically takoyaki, which is delicious, but very mechanical eyes. It's very Japanese. And then I think the last one is just a little canvas bag. Just a little cute canvas bag to store any knickknacks that you may have. There you go. The drawstring, and this really cute sort of retro design. Awesome. Alright, let's go try out those pens. Okay, so first pen is, I think something that I've tried before. It must have come in an old box. It is from Uni, and it is a metallic pen. You can kind of hear it's got those cartridges inside that you can shake up. So it is plastic tip. You push it down and then the ink comes flowing out. So let's try it out. I already know this is, I feel like a lot of people in the stationery world would have tried something like this. You've got to press it down a couple times to get the ink flowing, and now you can see it. And it is a beautiful, very vibrant, strong metallic. So this is great for, the thing about these is that they work pretty well on most surfaces, like in terms of like black it will turn up really strongly in black, and it's got a really nice sheen to it as well. But it does have a tendency to bleed through, so I don't know if it bleeds through this one, but you can see a pretty strong shadow through coming through. So yep, it's probably better for thicker paper. And then the next set are these. They're not pens. I think these are like mechanical pencils, like coloring pencils. And so there's like 3 different colors. You've got brown, red, and mint. So for these, you just kind of twist this bottom part and then it will come up. It almost looks like a crayon. But so this is the mint color. Oh, it is like a pencil. It's definitely a pencil. It looks like a crayon, but it's actually a pencil. And then we have this red color, which honestly looks a little bit more like vermilion. Is that the word? Where it's kind of an orangey red, so it's not true red. And then we have brown. And those are all the colors. Honestly, I kind of like this idea. I feel like this is a really clean way to carry coloring pencils. However, it's probably pretty, like, there's a lot of wastage here, because once you're done with this, I guess you could replace it with more refills if they sold them. I don't know if this brand sells refills, but there's something about just the plain paper pencils that are still really nice. So those are the colors. And yeah, that is everything in August's Zenpop box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to you, internet.